Hey, what's up, Ecomi holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day. My friends, once again, I'm present with another latest and urgent update of Omicoin. This update is very important for everyone, so keep watching this video till the end because in this video, I'm discuss the latest price update, the next move of the Omicoin. At this time, the latest price of the Omicoin is 0.002045 USD dollar. That is the latest price at this time, live price of Omicoin in the market. My friends, I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. At this time, on the other side, you can see here the price change is going wrong. The last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 weekend, the whole changes occur in the Omicoin is going negative, going bad. And I'm very worrying about that when will the price of Omicoin start pumping? And when will we getting the profit from the Omicoin? People ask me questions about Omicoin that when there is a chance to the price pump. Now my friends, you can see here at this time the last 3 days price chart of the Omicoin completely falls down occurred from the previous last 2 days. From the previous last 2 days, the price is completely going down, and still the price of Omicoin is in the negative move. The last 3 days pricing is negative 1.75%, and the highest price is 0.002365 USD dollar is the highest price of the Omicoin in the last 3 days. So my friends, my prediction about the Omicoin is not good at this time because the pricing at this time is going wrong. Maybe after a few hours they start again pumping, but at this time they have no idea to take a pump. After a few hours there is again chances to the price pump. What you think and what is your prediction, what is your opinion about Omicoin? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.